I don't know Tom represent for King next up, you know. So check out the dog YouTube page or the body thing or the money thing. I'm saying Nana guys and the whole family. Boof buff now.
Okay, boom. Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers who don't know the thing said. Bless. Hope I'm having a wonderful day today, but just a quick update on this bomb situation that was going on in Jamaica. Cause you know, one of my followers, Jana Bonet, asked me, me never do a review upon the request upon the 20 mil. You see me, and I'm gonna give you my reason why and what I think about this whole situation. But as you can see, just in emergency teams respond to bomb threat at St. Mary High.
Me set one bomb up on me is right at kitchen part. Big message to Mr. Sadar. I you see if my $40 million no reach me, the bomb go off on morning 7 o'clock. I'm done talk. A serious message me I send to Mr. Sadar. Serious message. He did right at kitchen part.
So obviously the individual is still playing games with Bro God. You see me, I say, and honestly, people, this is nothing but a fire drill. You see me, because if the man was, threatening, people like Bro God and all of these stuff, then yeah, we can't take it serious. You know what I mean? But them always run some experiment from black people. You see me, I say, I don't know what they're gearing them up to, but the individual requesting the money want to clarify some things. But like I said in the beginning, them saying nothing. They said, the people them at Jamaica too gullible. Yeah, them can't even think for themselves. You feel me? And you remember a few years ago when the place did lockdown or them did use Ramesh and all of these people, so they can go back out and party again. But nevertheless, the individual, doing these things want to clear it up, isn't it?
I am the unbeatable king. Come to clear the air. Post a video yesterday, more of a stunt or a prank, and gone viral. Then I move it off on my page still. Gone viral, and I don't know why people run with them things. It was just a prank. He's an artist, I go by the name of Just Cool. JHUSSKHOOL. Post my music every day. I'm a talented artist. I'm not have to ask, so you can't ask that. God, I will represent me. But I not see them run with them things like that, you know. They not run with good music and them things again. I just both with them move with it, you know. So I don't know what go on. But anyhow, it happened and it happened. Just I clear the air. It was from yesterday. It's no threat. It was a prank. There are so many Andrews in the world. I never put a last name to the Andrew. I just say Andrew. You understand? So it's now Andrew enough to take it personal. Nobody enough to take it personal. It was just a prank. And it went viral, so what? But respect to real people, them always share my music. Big up them people there. Always share my music. Them day one they were just no talent, understand? Big up to them people there. What on the spot media. Big up yourself, CMA, isn't it? No, every blogger them do them work still, but you can promote some music more time, you know? Good music. Good music I do all type of music. All types, so you must can find something to listen. Understand? So that's it.
And now, normally when somebody tell, people forgot ask them mother, Babylon reached them already, but the police is appealing for the persons responsible for the threat to report to the nearest police station. We don't even know if this person is even in Jamaica. I mean, I don't know because I haven't been following up. I don't know him or anything. But if you can enlighten us in the community, put in the comment section. But that's again them quick update from where I go on from that to go on the thing reach St. Mary. No, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest. Bless.
Serious message to Andrew. There's a bomb in Orcharius at the Rubis gas station. It's set for go off tonight, 7 o'clock. If you don't want the bomb to stop, no need for bring $20 million to me. Make sure this message go to Andrew. $20 million. You can contact me on this account. $20 million. Or the bomb goes off at 7 at the Rubis gas station in Orcharius. And I'm sure it will spread from there